Greetings once again. I'm John Gabriel and this is the New Calculus channel. So in this video I'm going to discuss Book 1 and Proposition 5, which Euclid chose to prove without using the circle. But of course, if you use the circle again in this proposition, it's much easier to see the truth of what he claims. So Euclid claims for isosceles triangles, and he doesn't predefine isosceles because isosceles is very well defined in the Greek. It means same legs. Isosceles, okay? That means equal legs. And so the angles at the base are equal to one another, and if the equal sides are produced, then the angles under the base will be equal to one another. In other words, if these angles are equal, okay, and so are the sides, therefore these red angles will also be equal because they lie on the same straight line, and therefore they're supplementary, okay? So we know that we can have an isosceles triangle by drawing lines from the endpoints of one diameter, B and C, that are subtended on equal arcs. Okay, so here's one arc and here's the other arc. And again, by symmetry of the circle, we know these angles must be equal because they are subtended on the same arcs. Okay, so it doesn't matter how you move this point, all those angles are equal because watch, the arcs are equal by symmetry. Okay, so thus the base angles are equal, these green angles, and obviously the sides are equal because once again of the symmetry of the circle. If the arcs are the same, then the sides will also be the same. All right, so it's a pretty simple proof, and so if the base angles are extended, then again the base angles will be equal. Now I just want to make a few more points about that. Proposition 5 is very easy to prove if we use the circle. So one should make an attempt to understand Euclid's proof. It's a lot more obfuscated than what I've given you, but it's clear from my video that the circle would make the proof a lot easier. And the circle is established with its properties from requirement 3, not axiom 3 as the mental midgets of mainstream math academia think. It's requirement 3, okay? And it can be used in every one of the propositions with great effect. So that's all I have for this video. That was Book 1, Proposition 5, and perhaps I'll be making another video if I feel energetic enough today or in the days ahead. I'm John Gabriel. This is New Calculus channel. Till next time, goodbye.